Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy again from Chayatsuji Kimono. Last week I got a question from someone how to put on tabi. Now, it seemed so straightforward to me that I never really considered making a video out of, but I did think it was a really good question, and apparently people do kind of struggle with it. So I have a pair of tabi for you here. Now, there are various kinds of tabi. These are the most standard ones. They are made of cotton, but you have cotton ones, synthetic ones, even lace tabi for the summer, as well as various types of shoes that look like tabi, like geta tabi, which are kind of tabi-like shoes, but they are more like boots rather than these, which are socks. So what is kind of unique to the tabi, for as far as I have found, is the way that they close. So you have these clasps and then the strings. So all you do is just tuck these clasps behind it, and that's it. Now, before I go into the tutorial, I have to say these are half a size larger than what my foot is. I have a second longer toe, which causes a fair bit amount of pain when I wear like standard ones, these cotton ones, in my actual foot size. So I had to go up half a size in order to be a little bit more comfortable, I suppose. But yeah, other than that, I have nothing else to say, and let's get into the tutorial. Once you have your tabi, you first want to roll back the fabric so you can have a nice opening for your foot to slide inside. Simply roll it back, smooth out the back if you can, and then all you do is close it. I hope you can see, but you have these metal clasps, and all you do is tuck them behind there. Hope you can actually see what I'm doing. So one by one. I don't know how everyone else does it, but what I like to do is kind of flex my feet so that the clasps are a little bit closer to these, not hooks, but strings. And then just tuck them behind there. And you do that with the other foot, and that's pretty much how you put on tabi. It's really straightforward, actually. It's that I got a question from someone how to do it, but otherwise I wouldn't actually have considered making a video. But anyhow, I hope this was helpful to some of you, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.